This is a lovely home meticulously remodeled in the waterfront community of West Parkview, just a half block from the neighborhood park. The spacious rooms have plenty of natural light, and there is a mudroom, laundry room and half bath at the back door that's perfect for cleanup when working or playing in the backyard. The wide staircase and roomy second floor landing make this home feel open and airy. The home boasts like new 2-zone heat pumps, PEX water supply lines, sewer line, 200 amp upgraded electric service panel and entrance cable, rear deck, front porch flooring and steps, oversized aluminum gutters and downspouts, replacement windows upstairs, re-glazed and refurbished windows downstairs, refinished and glowing hardwood floors downstairs, carpet upstairs, kitchen remodel with soft close cabinets and granite countertops, remodeled full bath and new half bath, fresh paint throughout and more. The perfect place to call home.